Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can just create a group chat on Instagram. So basically this group chat on Instagram is basically very helpful in order to just make a friend. We can just talk in a combined way, or we can just do a video call together. So in this way it is very helpful. So how we can just simply make a group on Instagram. So you can see over here that there's an option at the right hand side top over here. You have to click on that. After that you have to just from over here select a bunch of people in order to just make a group. Like I've just selected 2 person over here. After that you have to just click on over here a chat part, and it has been just started. You can just say over here right, or you can do here couple of things like a combine video chat with this person, or just sharing your photos with this person. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.